In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move folders under other folders in Gmail. Organizing your emails can significantly enhance productivity, and knowing how to structure your folders efficiently is a simple yet powerful tool. Let's jump right into it. First, take a moment to log into your Gmail account. It's important to confirm that you're in your own account to ensure security, especially if you share devices. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar of your Gmail, where all your current folders and labels are visible. This is your main workspace for organizing your email. To begin reshuffling your folders, identify the folder or label you wish to move under another. For instance, this could be a specific project label like Project X that you now want to group under a broader category like Work Projects. This step is crucial because it dictates how you will be navigating your email organization going forward. Now, hover over the chosen folder or label. You should see a small drop-down arrow or three-dot menu icon appear to the right. Click on this icon to reveal the settings options related to the label. This menu will show several choices, including one labeled as Edit or Manage Labels. Select this option to modify how these folders are arranged. A settings page will then appear, detailing various configuration options for your labels. Here you get to make the magic happen. Look for the section titled Nest Label Under. This is the key to creating subfolders within Gmail. It allows you to position one label beneath another, effectively creating a folder hierarchy system. In the Nest Label Under section, click into the drop-down menu and select the parent folder under which you want your chosen folder to be placed. It's as simple as picking Work Projects if Project X is the folder you're modifying. With this change, you're establishing a clear, hierarchical structure to your email organization that will help streamline how you access and manage your emails. Once you've made your selection and finalized any other changes, don't forget to save your progress. There should be a Save button visible, typically located at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking this solidifies the modifications you've made, so when you go back to your main Gmail view, you'll see the Project X label nested neatly under Work Projects. And there you have it. By mastering this method of organizing folders within Gmail, you make it far easier to locate specific emails and manage communications efficiently. This is especially beneficial in work environments or for those who handle large volumes of email daily. With practice, you'll become a pro at email organization, allowing you to focus more on the content of your emails and less on the clutter. Happy emailing!